Today I'll show you how I installed a central locking system on a 2021 Microcar. The customer bought this car for his child, and locking each door manually with a key was very inconvenient. So the goal was to install a remote central locking system to lock both doors at once. First, I removed the door panels on both sides. They came off easily, mainly held by clips around the edges. I also had to remove the mirror and a T30 screw near the door handle. Next, I installed a central locking control module with 2 remote controls. I used the simplest wiring method, positive and negative trigger, according to wiring diagram number 4. Before choosing a place to mount the control module, I noticed a white connector near the fuse box on the passenger side. It looked like a factory central locking connector. After testing the wires, I confirmed that it already had power and ground, wires going to both doors, and wires for the indicators. This made the installation much easier. I connected everything according to the measurements and the wiring diagram. The control module already had built-in fuses, so no extra fuse installation was needed. Now let's move to the doors. After installing the lock motors, everything fitted surprisingly well with minimal modification. I only needed to drill one extra hole to mount the motor and slightly adjust the locking rod. On the driver's side, the original connector even matched perfectly, unlike the passenger side, which had been cut previously. So these universal motors turned out to be a perfect match. The motors are simple two-wire units, positive and negative. They were mounted with screws, and the locking rod was riveted in place. The result looks almost factory installed. I also have the motor control boxes, but the part numbers are hard to see. If anyone needs them, I can try to find similar ones. Before reassembling everything, I tested the system while the panels were still off. Everything worked perfectly. After that, I tidied up the wiring, reinstalled the door panels, and finished the job. And that's it, the Microcar now has a fully working central locking system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this install, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment for more DIY car upgrades and repairs.